Welcome to data test class. In today's class, we'll be discussing about convert function. How we can use convert function. Okay, so convert function is basically available in transformer stage. So if you double click on transformer stage here, let's go to derivation. Okay, so go to string in functions string. You can pick the convert function. Okay, so this is the convert function. Okay, so where we can find it. So here I have a string like input data, like a combination of alphanumeric values. Okay. So alphanumeric, I mean like the input data, it contains like it has both combination of alphabets and numbers. So I want to separate numbers into one output column, alphabets into one other output column. Okay, I want to separate those in different columns. Okay, so how to do this exercise? Okay, so here to use the convert function, here such expression, that means a from list. From list, what are you going to do? So if you find this value and what you are going to list, so what you are replacing, and the expression, and the third one is expression, that is the input data. Okay, so you can use convert, and if I am separating the numbers, here I need to consider, I need to replace the alphabets into a space. Okay, so I mean, I need to keep empty. Okay, nothing will be there. Empty means okay, and the input data. So A, B, C, D, F to A to Z, given a single string, give in a single string, and the replace string into two list. That means it's an empty. Wherever it is, the alphabet is there. Those values I'm replacing empty for numbers. Okay, so this is the input. Okay, so same logic has been applied in the job. And similarly for alphabets, wherever alphabets I want to separate means I need to find out the numbers. That numbers I need to replace with empty values. So this logic has been applied in the job. Okay, so this logic I will show you in the description box also. The sample data you can try later after watching this video. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, similarly you can see this. Okay, and I'm calling the entire data into one column, separating the numbers into another column, alphabets into another column. Now click on OK. So let's see this input data. Input data, I hope you have seen this input data. Yeah, so this is the input data. Okay, now we have defined the transformer. Okay, so define the output also with the delimiter, what and all you want. Define the output file. Now click on OK. Okay, so now save this job, compile this job, and run this job. Save this job, compile this job, and run this job. Just a second. Run this job. Compilation got completed. Run this job. Okay. The job started running. Just a second. Okay, so this is the output location. Yeah. So see here, strings has been, I mean, separated. Okay. So 786 is the number, and string is RT by KPNR, and AE are the string. Okay. So rest are the numbers. Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and the string is JESSC. Okay. So like that, we can separate using convert function. Okay. So this logic, this input data, I will share it in a description box. So if you're looking for any data stage training and job support, you can call the number that is available in the description box. And if you're looking for data science training, automation anywhere training, data governance training, you can reach out to the same number. Okay. Please subscribe this channel for more videos on data stage, okay, and data science and automation anywhere and data governance. Thank you for watching.